you're back watching another LockNet video newsletter. I'm your host, Whitney, and today I have a new co-host with me.
Hi, I'm Vicki. I'm the Director of National Accounts here at LockNet.
Yeah, so today we brought in a little sample to show. One of the popular questions we get here is about cabinet and drawer locks, and a lot of people don't realize that you have plenty of options. You're not stuck with just one particular type. So I'm gonna ask Vicki, what would you say is the most popular cabinet and drawer lock?
The cam lock.
That's what I figured.
That would be this one and this one. They come in two different varieties. They have, you know, a tubular key, which is a little bit more secure because you can't get as many keys cut in that particular format. Then you have just a disc tumbler lock, which has the little small key.
Okay.
On the back side, you'll notice there's a cam. It comes out. It could be straight, it could be bent, it could be various lengths, it could be this long, just depends on the fixture that you're putting it on.
Okay. So if these two are the most popular, what would you say is next in the running out of these?
Definitely the showcase lock.
And what do these go on?
Glass doors.
Okay, so like the sliding glass doors?
The sliding glass doors, you'll see them. They will go on wood doors too, but you just don't see that application very often.
But I know recently they've got a new one, right?
There's a new version of this one, and it's actually much more streamlined. It still sticks out the same amount. However, your ratchet isn't as long on this side, and then you don't have the wraparound that goes in. It's going to actually have a glue on the back of it that sticks directly on the glass. And I've been told you have to break the glass to get the lock off. So
you're cutting down on a lot of the bulk on the front of the lock, or on the lock itself.
Right.
But you have to break the glass to like get the...
Pretty much. It's on there. It's on there. So if you put it where you don't want it, then no,
kind of
too late.
Yeah. I know a lot of people, like I said, don't realize that you can get, door locks or locks that are typically used on doors on your cabinet locks. And I see that there is an IC core on here.
A lot of customers have, interchangeable core key systems within their stores. If they also have drawers to hold their inventory, especially pricier inventory, they could use their interchangeable core key system and put it into this lock, and that way they have one key to operate throughout the store.
So can they do that with the door? Like, can they have this match the same key as the doors in their facility?
Correct. Or you can get more detailed, and it can be master keyed and be one level down, so that maybe a shift lead or just other employees could have a key that only works this, but it still would tie into your store key system.
Well, that's super helpful. All right. Well, that's just tip of the iceberg that we typically do in these newsletters. I will have, there's lots of information on our blog that I've written about them. You can find links down below. I'm sure Vicki would not care if you emailed her.
Absolutely.
Her email address is Vicki H. It's V-I-C-K-I.
No E, yes. No Y.
Yes. She's Vicki with an I, H at locknet.com. You can always email me, whitneyf@locknet.com. And as always, you can leave comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment boxes down below. Remember to like this on YouTube, Facebook, wherever you see us. Just slide over a like for us. We love it. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you tune in next time. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.